What's good, everybody? Thanks for stopping by. This is my first official post for Sheed's Mini Moto. Everybody's been telling me to start recording things that I do, so I'm a fabricator. I also grab mini bikes up and refab them, bring some life back into them, and just have fun with it. So my son and a few other people told me, hey man, start recording your stuff. So what I've been working on lately is I picked up a Woodward Fab tube bender and decided to try to make my own Minibike. And I didn't get to record up until this point, so I figured I'd start now. Better late than never, right? So here's where I'm at with it. I got the frame pretty much together the way I like it. It's all bent. And I'm to the stage now where I just got my wheels. Rear wheel, front wheel. Front wheel's way bigger than I thought it was going to be, but hey, we'll make it work. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to end up putting this about an inch off of the frame, like so. So I'm going to end up making a metal bracket to go there on both sides, center everything up, and get that front wheel mounted. So let's take it from there. Okay, we're over here at the shear now. Went and digging for some material in the back, and I think I'm going to make it out of this material here. It's 1/4 inch material. It's like 3 1/4 inch wide, 1/4 inch thick. And I think I'll cut off 2-inch slivers of that to make my front mounts for my wheel. So let's get at it. So I'm over here at the Whitney punch. I got my plates cut out. I think I'm just gonna keep it real simple. I'm just gonna put a hole 1 inch in, dead center in the plate, and bolt it up and see how it works. If it doesn't work, then I'll cut another piece. Okay, what's good? Back over here at the frame. I got the front wheel tacked in. I just put, tack the tabs. I don't want to do any final welding yet because I might change my mind. You never know. But I'm working on the back now, and I decided to go with these kind of like brackets like this. And I did it this way for two reasons. It kills two birds with one stone. I really wanted to strengthen this up. I want to strengthen up pretty much all the corners with a gusset. And when I make them this way, I can put this on here, which will give me my gusset, my strength, and also gives me a mile of material to weld to. So this is going to be super strong. It's clean. I mean, I think that's the easiest, cleanest way to do it. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.